Well, we take a look back at storm reports from yesterday, how much rain fell, and more rain is on the way Sunday night. But in between, we'll squeeze out a decent weekend here with some sunshine, slightly cooler than normal temperatures. So we did get some severe weather here, the bulk of it in Iowa and Nebraska as expected. That's where we had 16 different reports of tornadoes. But in Minnesota, mostly some hail, most of it under the severe criteria. So a lot of these hail reports were under 1 inch criteria, which is the severe cutoff. But we did have a few 1 inch plus hail reports and one report of wind damage in Easton, and picked up quite a bit of rain in southern Minnesota too. A swath of 1 to 3 inches of rain fell from Mankato down to nearly Albert Lee over towards Rochester, 2.94 inches in Hollandale. Twin Cities amounts generally a quarter to a half inch of rainfall. So not enough to eliminate our April deficit we have so far. We're running about a half inch behind, which is easy to make up. And of course, March we had a surplus of moisture. Still some lingering clouds and some scattered showers, but that low pressure and cold front has moved off to the south and east. We're going to see this area of high pressure build in. That means some sunshine here for tomorrow. Some spotty showers still today, mostly southeastern Minnesota and northeastern Minnesota. And maybe a few midday sprinkles, but otherwise the bulk of that precip stays in the northeastern and southeastern corners of the state. And it'll be in the form of some snow showers in northeastern Minnesota where the air is a little cooler. So low to mid 50s for highs. Southern Minnesota today, that is a touch below normal. 40s to the north, but we should see some peaks of sun, I think, heading into the afternoon hours. Again, northeastern and southeastern Minnesota will be some of the cloudier spots. And tomorrow, most of us will see sun across western, central, southern Minnesota, lingering clouds and a few of those flurries in northeastern Minnesota. But overnight tonight, it is going to be chilly as those skies clear out. Right around sunset, we're going to look at mid-30s for the Twin Cities and southeast, but western and northern Minnesota in the 20s. Tomorrow, similar temperatures, 50s, southern Minnesota with the sunshine though, so it'll feel better. 40s to the north, still kind of locked into some of those lingering residual clouds. And then Sunday closer to 60, upper 50s, if not 60, especially western Minnesota should be in the low 60s. So not a bad Sunday, and we'll hold off the rain until probably Sunday night, I think, in the Twin Cities. Far southern Minnesota, maybe by late afternoon and evening Sunday. And then another shot of some showers here on Tuesday. This is mostly going to be a southeastern Minnesota event this Sunday night into Monday rainfall. So for the Twin Cities and Point South, we could see a half inch to an inch of rain even in the southeastern quarter of the state. So if we get that, that'll wipe out that April rainfall deficit that we have thus far. And then there's more moisture on the way for next week. Temperatures will be slightly above normal, mostly 60s. But another surge of moisture Thursday into Friday, double normal precipitable water content values for the time of the year. And that means some potential thunderstorms here Thursday into Friday. This is the European model's lightning forecast Thursday and Friday. And there's the potential for some heavy rain there because we'll see thunderstorms embedded in that system. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Still almost a week away, but potential for some heavier rainfall here for portions of central and southern Minnesota the way it's looking right now. But of course that could easily shift. 54 today. That is a few degrees below average. A spotty shower or two, but also some peaks of sun. Brighter skies tomorrow. Not bad in the afternoon, but it will be a chilly start. Sunday, sun most of the day, closer to 60. We will see high clouds increase through the afternoon hours, and then not bad temperature-wise next week. Again, mostly in the 60s. That is a little above normal. With that next chance of showers Tuesday, and then that next potentially more significant round of moisture here moving back in here for Thursday.